Good morning, fellow heroes! Welcome to the technical meeting for the speech competition of English Action Day 2025. Let's fly high and take the win! Woo! Welcome for all of the participants who are here in this upcoming event. Thank you so much for having us here. So here we will begin with our technical meeting for the speech competition of English Action Day 2025. Are you guys excited? Are you guys excited or more in the nervous side? I'm both of it. Yeah. Well, before we begin with our technical meeting today, we would like to introduce ourselves first. My name is Kiki.
And I'm Maya.
And here we will explain to you more details about the speech competition rules. So, without any further ado, let's jump right away into it.
Okay, and we will introduce the theme, which is Let's Fly High and Take the Win. The speech competition will be a platform for participants to showcase their public speaking skill on the main theme. Let's fly high and take the win. Specific details.
Sebentar, Kak. Belum share. Sebentar ya. Please wait ahead. We would like to share screen first. Oke, kakak tuh bisa. Tolong ya. Let me share the screen first. Why it cannot be open? Oh, this one. All right. Is it already clear, the PowerPoint? Can you see the PowerPoint?
Yep, I can.
All right, thank you. Thank you for that. Right.
All right.
So let's begin with our technical meeting. Please take your notes and listen carefully, yeah? All right. Let's continue.
Okay. Let's fly high and take the win. The speech competition will be a platform for participants to showcase their public speaking skills on the main theme. Let's fly high and take the win. Specific details regarding the speech competition themes, competition formats, time limits, judging criteria, and so on will be announced after the sessions. And then Dare to Win, No Limits. This is our sub-theme for 2025. Dare to Win, No Limits means that if we dare to win, there is no such things as limit. We want to emphasize that having confidence in yourself to win will break down your limits. And then we will have score criteria. For the speech content evaluations, the point is relevant of the theme. The speech must match that given theme. And for the originality, ideas must be authentic and not plagiarized. And for the structure and organizations, clear introduction, body, and conclusion. And the last is the content is meaningful. Delivers a strong and valuable message. And for the second one is the delivery. The delivery points, we have vocal quality, which is the proper volume, clear pronunciation, and good intonations. And for the body language, appropriate facial expressions and gestures. And for the performance, we have confidence, enthusiastic, and engaging. And for the time management, speech must be within 7 minutes. And then we will have range score. The scoring is divided into 4 categories. And for the excellent is 85 to 100. And for the good, 70 to 85. For the fair, 60 to 60, 50 to 69. And for the week, 1 until 50.
All right, next we begin with the rules of the script. The things will be get complex by them, so please take a note and listen carefully, okay? So, the rules of the script. The script must be grammatically correct. The second one will be the issue or the topic. So the topic chosen for the script must not contain any elements of Sarah, pornography, and often any religion or race. So once again, make sure that when you make the speech script, the topic is not containing any element of Sarah, pornography, and often any religion or race. Next will be the text format. So for the speech script, the text be on the Times New Roman. For size, it will be 12, size 12, and for size 14, bold for the title. And maximum will be 7 minutes long for the speech. So once again, this is important. Please listen and take notes carefully, okay? So for the script, it will be maximum 7 minutes long for the speech. So we'll make the speech script, make sure that you make a performances below 7 minutes long, because the maximum for the speech performance will only be taken for 7 minutes. Okay, next will be the paper. The paper must be on A4 size. And it will be also important. This point will be so important. Next will be plagiarism. So any form of cheating immediately disqualified. Please bring any hard copy on your script later on, and make sure when you make the speech script, it is free from plagiarism or AI detected, because it will be a form of cheating and you will be immediately disqualified if we found out that in your script there will be plagiarism or AI detected. So make sure it's free from plagiarism. Next will be submitted paper. So all participants are required to photocopy the paper twice. Once again, all the participants are required to photocopy the paper twice and also send the soft file via the link provided below in the format school name underscore name underscore title of speech. So once again, please bring the hard copy of your script to the competition room, because it will bring it to the judges, because it will be something that is very important for the judges to make decision who is the winner. So again, for the submitted paper on the competition day, all participants are required to photocopy the paper twice and also send the soft file via the link provided below in the format school name underscore name underscore title of speech. Okay, we begin for the next slide. Wait. Sorry. Wait. Please be patient, yeah. My computer is not really good. Okay, wait. We already seen this one. Wait. Hold on. Okay, this one is already set. Okay. Next will be the rules of speech. So for the rules of speech, first will be the appearance. So all the participant needs to be dressed neatly, and for any participant who have a long hair, please make sure that your hair is neat and tied up. And make sure the ear should be able to see and visible, so that for the inspection, it will be easier for the security to do the inspection. So for those who are wearing hijab, it's okay. The committee will provide you with committee who also are women. So in the instruction, you still have to make your hair tied up and your ears visible to see. And we'll make sure that you are comfortable during the inspection, because for those who wear hijab will be get inspection from those security who are also women. And next will be outfit. For the outfit, the clothes should be neat and decent. And the next one will be the vocal or performance. So make sure in your speech performances, it is not contain any element of error and pornography. And also, do not have any specific race and religion in the speech. So make sure before you submit your paper or your script paper, please make sure that you don't contain any element of Sarah and pornographic, and also do not have any specific race and religion in the topic of the speech. Oh, wait. All right. Wait. Okay. For the next slide. Oh, wait. Okay. Wait. For the next slide, it will be also important as well. So next will be the rules of competition. So when the bell rings one time, it means that all the participants can start their speech. So once again, when you hear a bell rings one time, it means that you can start your speech. The second one will be bell rings 3 times. When you hear any bell rings 3 times, it means that you need to finish your script. You need to finish your speech immediately. And the third one will be wave color flag. For wave color flag, if you see any wave color flag, it means that you only have 2 minutes left. Once again, any participant who see any wave color flag during the competition, it means that you only have 2 minutes left for your performances. Next will be no plagiarism. Make sure in your script there is no any plagiarism or any AI uses, because next when you are submitted your paper, we will check the AI and plagiarism for the script. So please, before you make any submission for the paper, for the script, make sure that you don't have any plagiarism and AI uses, and make sure that your script is fully on your own thoughts and it is original. And next will be the time. The time begins when the participant is performed. So when the participant is performed their first word, the time will immediately begin. So make sure that you are ready before you begin with your first word. And next, this is also important, so please take a great look on it. So cue cards notes only. So when you are doing the performances, you're only allowed to bring any cue card notes. Cue card only contains key points, so make sure there is not a full script on the cue cards. And the next one will be any electronic devices. So make sure any participant who entered the competition room or the waiting room, make sure you don't bring any electronic devices, because any electronic devices are prohibited in the competition room. So once again, make sure that you don't bring any electronic devices who are prohibited in the competition room. Next will be additional rules. For the additional rules, each participant is only allowed to bring 1 or 2 responsible companions and only allowed to wait in the waiting room. Next will be the jury's decision. The jury or the judge's decision is inviolable. It means that the judge's decision cannot be changed. So the next will be, there are no exception to any form of cheating. So make sure you don't perform any cheating when you perform yours during the speech competition. And next will be bring electronic devices. So when any participant bring electronic devices such as mobile phones, laptops, and other communication devices, you are not allowed to bring those devices, those electronic devices, to the competition room. So bringing any electronic devices such as mobile phones, laptops, maybe headphones, earphone, and other communication devices are prohibited during the competition. So make sure you don't bring those electronic devices into the room. And last but not least, bringing speech scripts when performing is prohibited. Exception, only cue cards are allowed. So any participants, you do not allowed to bringing any speech script, a full speech script when performing, because it will be for the juries or the judges' decision. And you can only bring any cue cards to the competition. Oh, wait. Hold on.
Miss, I have a question.
Oh, not yet. Wait.
Oh,
I'm
sorry.
not done yet. Yeah, sorry. Oh, wait. Okay, next will be the timeline. So make sure you have any calendar. So make sure on your calendar you had your important timeline, especially for the competition day and announcement. So open registration was already open on the 20th March of 2025. And today, which is the technical meeting via Zoom, it is already done on 3rd May of 2025. This one is important. So make sure that you check your calendar for the submission or the submission paper. It will be on 16 May 2025. So make sure in the 16 May of 25 or before 16 May of 2025, you already made your paper and already submit your paper or your speech script. And the day or the competition day and announcement will be on the 24th of May 2025. Wait for that. This one is also important. So for the announcement, participants who enter the room should register and store their things by the registration team. So there will be an inspection by security and will take place before participants enter the waiting room and competition room. So once again, make sure that you bring any prohibited items such as vapes, pot, cigarettes, sharp object, etc., or any electronic devices, because there will be an inspection by security who will take place before participants enter the waiting room and competition room. All right, now we're already in the end of the PowerPoint actually. So here we will open any question. If later on in this technical meeting, you don't know what to ask, so feel free to chat person in the slides, because if the time is up, we can answer later on in the WhatsApp. So is there any question about any rules and any competition details? If you want to ask any question, you can raise your hand, you can react, or maybe if you want to ask directly, you can raise your hand first, and then we can listen to your questions. Or maybe if you want, you can also chat in the chat section below and type your questions. So feel free. So if I'm not mistaken, there is one person who wants to ask question. Yes.
Excuse me, I have two questions, actually.
not the land. Yes.
Is there a certain specific style guide that we have to follow? And how many Q note cards can we bring with us? Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. So for the first question, is there any specific styles of the speech that must be followed? Well, from the speech committee, there is no any specific style. Feel free to find your own style as long as it is maximum 7 minutes. So it doesn't matter with the style of the speech performances because it is free for you to find your own style of speech. So there is no any style or any uh, yeah, style needed to be who must be on the competition the competition day. So feel free to find your own style. And for the second question, how many cue cards you can bring? Well, it depends on the cue cards. As long as it can help you to bring your best performance, you can bring 2 or 3 cue cards. As long it's not too many, maybe like more than 5. It is almost like a full script for us. So make sure you only have below 5 cue cards or maybe at maximum 3 cards so that it will help you for your to bring your performances as long as you don't also full you don't write a full script on the cue cards because yes it is prohibited and you're not making any cheating form when you are doing your performances. Is that clear?
Clear, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Is there any questions other than that? If you are not really confident on asking immediately or directly,
There's any questions
you can ask the
in the
chat.
chat section?
Okay, okay, the comments on not the comment. Okay. Oh, right. I will stop sharing now. So later on for the speech PowerPoint, we will directly send you the PowerPoint to the group. So after this technical meeting, we will also give you the PowerPoints and also the video for those who are not in the room with us. Okay, let's check on the chat section. So excuse me, I have a question. Can we bring props for the speech? Thank you. So for the prompts for the speech, it is allowed. So make sure that any props for the speech is not making you burden and it's not disturbing your performances later on. So as long as the prop is not too many and it's not making you and it's not disturbing you while you're doing your speech performances later on. Is that clear? Okay, I think it's that. I think it's clear. Thank you for the question. Is there any question again? You can
Excuse me,
please your hand. Okay.
can I ask another question?
Oh yeah, sure. Feel free.
Will there be a podium on the stage or will it just be the stage itself? So we'll be standing there without any podium. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So your question will be on the performances. There will be any podiums you are performing doing your performance. So wait. Mhm.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, please be patient. We would like to confirm first about the podium because from the podium itself, we need to confirm to the other committee as well. So please be patient, okay? Thank you for the question. right. While we are waiting for the question for the podium, I would like to answer the question from the chat first. So, excuse me, is the theme really not specified? So it's up to us as long as it doesn't break the rules. Yes, but also make sure that you pay attention. We already have a sub theme in the beginning of the technical meeting. The sub theme for speech competition is Dare to Win, no miss. So make sure when you are making your script and make your speech performances, it is relevant to the theme, which is something that related with Dare to Win, no limits. Maybe you can tell your experience that you are really confident, that confidence really makes you to be a better person. You can up to that kind of thing. So actually it is quite broad, so you can pick any theme as long it is relevant to the sub theme of the speech competition. And also, as long as it is doesn't break rules, a yes. It is a yes. So make sure that the theme that you choose, so the title and the what is it? The speech script that you made, it is relevant to the sub theme. Something that is related that what is it? There's been no limits. It means maybe you can talk about limits, or maybe why you have to dare to win. You need to have a confidence. So you need to still talking about that. So the same is actually already specified. And yeah, please make sure that you make the script and it is relevant to the sub theme of the speech competition. Is that clear? I think that's clear. So for the question about the podium, yes, there will be a podium for all the participants. So make sure that you are, if you are bring any props, it doesn't burden you, it doesn't disturbing you from the speech performances, because you will be on the podium on the competition. Okay, thank you for the question.
There's
Okay.
another question.
Okay, there's another question on the chat section. Excuse me, are we still allowed to bring electronic devices as long as we don't bring them into the competition room? Yes, you are still allowed to bring electronic devices as long as you don't bring it to the competition room. While in the waiting room, maybe you can listen to music, because the thing is, you probably can get the last chance, the last number for the speech competition. So okay to bring any electronic devices to the waiting room, as long as you left it before you enter the competition room. That's all. I think that's clear. Thank you for the question. Okay, next. There's also a question, two. Oh yeah, one question. I thought it was two questions. Okay. Excuse me, is the usage of slang word nor a curse word is fully prohibited? So yeah, for the usage of slang word or curse word is fully prohibited, because the thing is, this is a speech competition, and hopefully when you are doing your speeches, when you are doing your speech performances, it is formal, okay? Because yeah, basically this is a competition. You cannot say slang word or even curse word. It is fully prohibited, because the thing is, this is a formal competition. So yeah, make that you don't use a curse word. Yeah, especially when you are doing your performances. Is that clear? Okay, noted. Okay, thank you. Is there any questions? So yeah, once again, I would like to remind you there will be an inspection. So for those girls and boys who have long hair, make sure that you have your hair tied up because there will be an inspection by the security. And for those who wear hijab, we make sure that you are comfortable when we are doing the inspection. So later on, for those who wear hijab, there will be an inspection by women's security. But you still have inspection for those who wear hijab. But it's not by men, it will be by women's security. So yeah, so you can still be comfortable while doing your speech competition, by doing your speech performances especially. Okay, is there any question about the technical meeting, about the PowerPoint, or maybe the details about the speeches? If you want to ask immediately, you can raise your hand and then you can talk. But if you are shy, you can type it on the chat section. Okay. Is it okay if we have braids instead of a ponytail or some short? Yes, feel free. As long as your ears are visible to the committee, so that when we are doing inspection, we'll make it easier. Okay, feel free to braid. So yeah, as long as your ears are visible. For example, like me, you can tie it in a ponytail or maybe a long braid, as long as it not covers your ears. Okie dokie. Thank you for the questions. Is there any question? Again, maybe about the something that is related to the performances, or maybe for speech script. Okay. Yes, please, you can start asking the questions.
Will there be other spectators besides the judges? Thank you.
Okay. So you're asking if there's any spectators other than judges and committee? Well, actually, no. So in the competition room, there will be a few committee, 3. Oh, okay. There will be 2 judges for each room of the competition room, and there will be a few speech committee for and security. So yeah, there will be no any spectators in the competition room. Okay, is that clear? Oh yeah, I would like to add one more. So for the spectators, so before you begin to enter the competition room, you will be with other participants, other 4 participants, and then it will be on the same room as you, and then by numbers you will divide it. So for example, from number 1 until number 5, they will be in the same room. So the spectators actually are 4 other participants, 2 juries or 2 judges, and a few committee members. So yeah, there's not any spectators from outside of the room or any companions that you bring to you while accompany you while you are doing your speech. So they will be waiting on the waiting room. Yeah, is that clear?
That is clear. Thank you very much.
Thank you. There's also one more question in the chat section. Excuse me, this means that when we were in the competition room, we only bring notes and the text of the speech may not be brought in. Thank you. Okay, so once again, in the competition room, yes, you only bring cue cards or notes and text of the speech or the hard copy of your script it is brought to give it to the jury or the judges. So you don't bring it to the competition room, but give it to the juries and the judges so that they can make not inspection. They can judge you. They can see your performances more easier and clearly. So yeah, the speech. So the hard copy of the speech or the script that you have, it still need to be brought in the competition day so that we can give it to the juries or the judges so that when you are doing your speech or perform your speeches, the juries or the judges can see the coloration and the performances. Is it relevant to the script that you already made? So yes, you still need to bring the copy or the speech script, the full speech script of yours to the competition day so that it will be given to the juries or the judges. But when you are performing in the day of the competition, you only bring the cue cards or notes of your speeches, so not fully the fully text of your speech script, because it will be given to the juries or the judges to bring along while you are doing your speech. Is that clear? Okay. Okay. Thank you for the question. Okay. Go on. You can ask your question for those who raise hand.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you
Okay,
clearly.
good. I'm a little confused. Will the other competitors be an audience with the juries, with the judges, or will we be brought into like a private room and it will be just us and the judges? Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the question. So I would like to clarify. So later on, there will be two rooms, okay? So there will be a waiting room and then three room actually. Two competition room and one waiting room. So in the waiting room, it will be full with speech members, the speech committee members, and all of the participants. And then you will give numbers of your participants, yes, and then from 1 until 5, and then later on from 6 until 10, and etc. There will be what is it? Yeah, five people, five participants to the private room or the competition room, and then begin from the first participant. It will be the first speeches. So in the room there will be four other participants who also have the same what is it the same number actually with you. So 1 until 5. If you for example, if you have the first, you have the opportunity to give your speech as the first contestant. Later on, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth contestant will be also the audiences in the other room with the juries, the judges, and the committee members. So you're not performing in front of all of the participants, but you will only be with other four participants in the same room. Is that clear?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you for the question. So is there any questions again? Yeah, I would like to clarify once again. In the room, in the competition room, actually, there will be two rooms of competition room, and the one who will be the spectators or the audiences will be other four participants who happens to be near your what is it? I would say in Indonesian ya giliran, yeah. So other four participants with you, and then other juries or judges, two judges actually, and other committee members and then there's also a timekeeper. So not all of the participants are watching your performances, but only a few, only 4 spectators. Yes. Is there any questions again? Feel free to raise your hand or give a reaction if you want to ask directly to us, or you can type it on the chat section below, or maybe if by any chance after this technical meeting you only reminded you with the question, you can ask us by the chat person, or maybe you can ask directly to us from the group of the speech contestants. If by any chance you don't really clearly remember, or you only by coincidence already have questions after this technical meeting, so you can chat and ask us in the WhatsApp in the. So once again, is there any questions about? Oh yeah. Yes, go ahead and ask your questions.
When we have finished speaking, do we wait until the group is finished or what?
Oh, wait, can you please repeat your questions? We cannot really hear your voice. It is pretty low. Can you raise the volume of your voice, please? Thank you.
When we have finished speaking, do we wait until the group is finished or what?
Oh, yeah. If you by any chance you have the last time, yeah, the last number, maybe for example you got number 10, and then the 6, 7, 8, and 9 must be finished, so you need to wait for other participants. So you need to spectate 4 participants to perform before you perform your speech performances. So yes, you need to wait for the others to be finished first. Is that clear?
Noted.
Okay, thank you for the question. Is there any questions? All right. Oh, okay. From the chat section, excuse me, I want to ask, if we use cue cards, will it affect the score? All right. First, I need to confirm it to committee member first, yeah? So please be patient. We will answer sooner. Wait, yeah? All right. Oh, for the last question. Oh, no, sorry. From Kalisa or Kalisa. Sorry, I pronounced it wrong. So if we use cue cards, will it affect the score? Well, later on, when you will bring your cue cards, so the cue cards is maximum 3, okay? 3 notes. So 3 small notes like sticky notes. There will be the maximum for the cue cards, and we will do an inspection. We will check the cue cards later on. So if you are writing the full script, or maybe you write too much and it's not considered as a cue card, and it will probably affect your points. So we will do an inspection first, and we will see if it's too much. It will be there will be some score decreasing. So make sure you only written small notes, so like key points, or maybe the main word for your speeches in the cue cards, not the full one. So yes, it might affect the score, but it depends on the cue cards that you are bringing to the stage. Yes. Is that clear? Okay. Next, we will move on to the next question from the chat section also. Excuse me, what time is the competition exactly? Is it in the morning or is it in the afternoon or is it in the some other time? Thank you. The competition in the 24th May of 2025. Wait, let me confirm it to the speech committee first, yeah. So the exact time for the competition exactly it will be on in the morning. So yeah, later on we will give you the rundown of the day of the competition. But yeah, the exact time of the competition will be delivered in the morning. So yeah, it's not in the afternoon, it's not in some other time. So yeah, it's not at 4 p.m. or something. It will be on the morning, in the morning actually, I'm sorry, in the morning. And the competition, the exact time of the competition will be in the 24th of May 2025 in the morning. But later on, we will remind you in the group. So make sure that you keep seeing the group or maybe actively participating in reacting or maybe replying to our messages in the group. But yeah, the exact time will be in the morning. But later on, we will give you the what is it, the rundown. So make sure to check your group every single day or maybe every hour. Yeah, is that clear? Okay, is there any question? Is there any question about the performances or maybe the day? Okay, once again, the day will be on the 24th of May 2025 in the morning. Okay, the day of the speech competition of English Action Day 2025 will be on 24th of May 2025 in the morning. Okay. Is there any other questions? Okay. Sepertinya wait. I think we need to remove the background for a while, yeah, just for temporary. So, dear all participants, fellow heroes, so on the day, the speech committee will be wearing a headband. This headband, so make sure that you've seen this headband on the day. And please follow us. You happen in the day seeing us in the day wearing this headband because there will be other competition and it will start to divide it you one by one. So make sure that you've seen this cute headband here. It is Hero, the main character of Big Hero 6. So please take a look and remember that this is the committee, okay? So later on the day, you need to remember and seeing this headband a lot. Okay, so please remember this headband and then follow us in the competition so that we can seeing you guys and we don't need to check one by one for all of the participants. Just remember to follow this headband, this twing twing headband. I know it's quite hard to read now, yeah, because twing twing and it's cute. But yeah, you can see this already have the word speech. So remember, if you see us wearing this headband, please just follow us to the competition room. Okay? Yeah, later on for the more exact picture of the headband, we will send you to the group so that on the day you're not lost or you're not skipping any details because you will be accompanied by us. Yes, let's use the background. Okay. Oh, and also, I would like to add one more. If you in the day, if you by any chance find any committee who wearing this headband, especially the speech headband, you can ask for direction, or maybe you want to go to the toilet, you can ask us for permission, or maybe asking us for help. Anything about direction or other than that. So if you by any chance seeing this headbands wearing by committee, please feel free to ask for direction or asking for any help during the competition day. Yeah, that's the additional announcement about the competition day. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully you can remember this this cute headband until the competition day in 24th of May 2025, because yeah, it is important. We don't want to lose you guys. We don't want you guys to be lost in a way while finding the competition room or the waiting room. Just find any committee who wearing this headband, okay? Or maybe ask the nearest committee members, because they will be using poll cards, yeah, ID cards. So feel free to ask, okay? All right. Is there any other questions about the speech competition, either the day or the speech rules? You can raise your hand or maybe chat in the chat section in the Zoom. But I'm sorry. If you by any chance only have the question after this technical meeting, feel free to ask one of the committee member, the speech member, or the chat person who will be on the PowerPoint that later on after this technical meeting will be sent into the group. So please, after this technical meeting, please still be on the group, still be online in your speech group, because we will send you the PowerPoint and then the video of the technical meeting for those who haven't seen or haven't by any chance cannot be in this room with us. We will send you the video and also send you the full picture of this headband so that you can take a better look to the headband itself. Yes. You can remember or maybe recall for any specific things that you want to ask for us. So yeah, you can raise your hand or maybe type it on the comments, or not comment, the chat section below. Feel free, okay? You can ask as many as questions as you want, as long as it help you before you do your speeches in the competition day. So feel free. You can ask a lot of questions. It's okay. If you're shy, you can just chat in the chat section, or maybe if you want to ask directly to us, you can raise your hand or maybe give the reaction to this Zoom section. Yes. Is there any questions? So like if we don't have any questions, I would like to remind you again that some important things that will be really essential, especially in the day later on, in 24th of May 2025. I would like to recall you again about the important rules. So all the participants, make sure that you bring the hard copy of your script to the competition room and bring it to the judges. So don't bring the hard copy of your speech script to the competition room and bring it when you are performed, because the hard copy of your script will be delivered to the judges. And when you are doing your speeches in the competition room, you only allowed to bring cue cards, not full of your script, not fully the script that you made and you submit in the 16th of May 2025. And also remember that you still need to make the speech script, and then you need to submit before 16th of May 2025. Okay, please remember. But later on, we will keep updating you with any details or maybe additional rules about the speech competition later on in the group. So please stay online all the time so that you don't miss any details about the speech competition. So during the 3 day of the competition day, please make sure that the hard copy of your script is free from plagiarism and free from AI uses, because later on, after you submit your paper, 16th of May 2025, we will check one by one all of your script and try to detect if there is some AI uses or any plagiarism. So make sure when you are making your script, you're still able to keep your thoughts and keep the originality of your own thoughts according to the sub-theme, which is Dare to Win, No Limits. So yeah, remember that you need to make the script relevant to the sub-theme, which is Dare to Win, No Limits. You can talk about anything as long it is relevant to the sub-theme of the speech competition. If you need some reminder, you can just freely ask us in the group, or maybe directly personal chat me or Kak Angel or Kak Mayang or Indita, anyone in the group. So you can just ask us with Indonesian or English after this technical meeting. So feel free to ask, as long as we can help you to remember all of the details and the rules of the competition before the D-Day. And also for those who wear hijab, we already make sure that you will be comfortable on the day, because there will be an inspection by women's security, because we still need to have an inspection before the competition room so that we can prevent any cheating form with electronic devices or any form of cheating. And don't forget to make your speech script from now on after this technical meeting until at least 15th of May 2025, because the deadline of the paper submission will be on the 16th of May 2025. So remember that, and make sure that in your calendar you already have a reminder that the last submission paper will be on 16th of May 2025. And also, please take care of your health. Please stay healthy and keep the same energy from today's technical meeting until the day, because in the day, it will be on the 24th of May 2025, and it will be all in the morning. So just make sure that you eat enough, you had enough sleep, And yeah, prepare for the best for your performances. And also, on the day in 24th of May 2025, make sure that you don't bring any prohibited items to the competition room. You can still bring any electronic devices, such as tablet or laptops or phones, or maybe your earphone in the waiting room. But when it's your turn to enter the competition room, make sure that you don't bring any prohibited items. And also on the day, please make sure that you don't bring any prohibited items such as vapes, pot, cigarettes, sharp object, etc. And remember to dress neatly. And if you bring any props, please bring your props and make sure that you arrive before the time of the competition. Or please do not be late and be on time. But later on, about the exact time of the competition, we will send you the rundown so that you can prepare for your speech performances before the day or even before your turn of doing your speeches. Yes. Is there any questions again related to the speech competition, related to the rules or the appearances or anything? Right, and also I would like remind you again that after this technical meeting, we will send you the video and the recording of the technical meeting in the YouTube, in the YouTube channel. Later on, we will send you the link of the YouTube, who consists of the recording of today's technical meeting, and also the revised, so the newest PowerPoint that already given in this Zoom. We will send you again to the group. So for those who are not in the same Zoom, or who cannot participate in this Zoom or this technical meeting, please don't worry. Tell friends maybe who cannot enter this Zoom, because we Notulen C, and then we also have the link of the recording of the Zoom of the technical meeting, and also the power into the group immediately after this technical meeting. So please don't worry, and maybe if you by any chance have any friends who are also participate in this speech competition, you can share your thoughts about today's technical meeting, and maybe you can share some important question or important details, because later on we also will provide you with the PowerPoints and also the link of the recording. So please don't worry. Okay, I would like to give another reminder for you about the technical of the competition day. So later on, you will be gathered all in the waiting room, and other companions that is guarding you while doing your speech performances later on will be on the waiting room. They will be waiting on the waiting room. They cannot be in the same room while you are doing your speeches performances. So while in the waiting room, you will get your turn, and then if you by overtime, you get your chance to do your speeches. You will be with other four participants who happen to have the same, not the same, actually the similar turns, yeah, to the other room. So there will be two competition rooms. So yeah, one waiting room and two competition room. There will be one waiting room who consists all of the participants, and then two competition room who consists the performances, the speeches. And in the competition room, the spectators will be other four participants who happen to be in the same turn as you, and two juries or two judges, a few committee members of the speech competition, and a few security. So yeah, please make sure that you are ready before the day, and also don't forget to send your submission and submit your paper of your speech script on 16th of May 2025. Okay. Right. Are you want to ask any questions? So feel free to ask. Go on.
Yes. Where do we park our vehicle?
Oh, where do you park your vehicle? There will be a parking lot. So after you enter the campus, there will be some security and any committee member who will guiding you to the parking lot. Is that clear?
Clear.
Okay, thank you for the questions. Maybe if there is some other questions about anything, oh yeah, just anything. You can ask anything. Maybe you can type it on the chat section below, or maybe you raise your hand. Thank you for the question. Yeah. Oh yeah, and also we almost forgot that during the competition day, make sure that you bring tumbler, your own tumbler, and not one use of thick bottles like a real tumbler, maybe a plastic one, or maybe other than plastic tumbler, please bring your own tumbler because we provide you with the water refill later on. So please make sure that you bring your own tumbler, and you will be exhausted in the end of the competition. So please bring your own tumbler because we provide you with the water refill. And for those who want to bring your lunch, your breakfast maybe, because the competition will be in the morning. You can bring your lunch or breakfast or maybe any snacks to the waiting room. And we also provide you with the snack before you entering the waiting room. So maybe you can bring snacks so that you can bring your snacks and your tumbler and all of the things that you needed before you do your performance. So probably you need to bring a backpack, but a tote bag is fine. But as long as it's big enough to have your snacks, have your maybe have your phones and your tumbler at least. So make sure that you bring your own tumbler or maybe any snacks or any lunch meals so that when you enter the waiting room while waiting for your turn, you can maybe have a lunch or maybe go to the toilet and so on. So yeah, please remember to bring your tumbler. And also much more important details. So later on, if you want to go to the bathroom or to the restroom on the competition day, please make sure that you want to go to the restroom or to go to the bathroom while accompanying by security. So make that you approach and find any committee members, the nearest committee members, maybe the one um, who wearing card, or maybe to us who wearing headband like this, and then make sure that you go to the restroom or to the bathroom at least approximately 10 minutes before your turn to the competition room. So yeah, if you want to go to the bathroom, just find any committee members from the nearest area and then ask them to find security who can deliver you, who can accompany you to the restroom or to the bathroom. But make sure that you don't go to the bathroom while you are almost in your turn to the competition room. Please, hopefully 10 minutes, approximately 10 minutes before you entering the competition room, before your turn, you can ask any committee members to accompany you to the restroom or to the bathroom. Okay? And also, there are a lot of additional rule and additional things that happen that is also announced in this Zoom. So later on, we will send you also the Notulen so that you can recall again about all of the things that I already mentioned before, and also all of the things that you already asked in the previous minutes before. So yeah, please make sure to check and recall all of it before the competition day. Yeah. So are you guys excited or more on the nervous side while waiting for your speeches? I'm sure that all of you must be more on the nervous side, a little bit excited probably. So are you guys nervous or are you guys just like, oh, cool, I will perform my best? Like, feel free to answer my question because yeah, we're about to killing the time. Mhm. So I would like to ask you, so hmm, how many percent of your speech script? Oh, I prefer confused to be honest. Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's normal. I mean, it's a part of the process. I believe that the process must be the most essential things. Yeah, just try to be confident. Try to be try to have a lot of practice, especially in front of the mirror. Actually, I like to talk with myself in the mirror, and it actually helped me with my speeches. So maybe you can have that as a tip before you having your speech uh, performances. So, how many percent of your speech script going? Is it above 20% or maybe zero? I think 30%. Ooh, that's great. Just make sure that you can have 0.8%. Are you sure? Are you only write the what is it? The title only or only your name or what? But it's okay. At least it's not 0%. Yeah. Keep going. I hope that during the day you guys can have a better result of your speeches because yeah, I know exactly that doing speech is not an easy thing. It might be confusing to people. It might be yeah, it might be what is it? Heart wrecking is that what they said? Like heart wrecking, it will be so much challenges while uh, you are preparing for your speeches. So I hope for the best. Oh, I hope for the best for all of you. But yeah, just remember that you need to make a progress at least maybe every day. Yeah, because yeah, the deadline of the submission paper is near, guys. So please take a better look. If I'm not mistaken, it's about one week. Yeah, 1 week, 1 week. No, 2 week actually, almost 2 week for you. So you still have at least 2 weeks for your submission paper. So make sure that you have a better progress. I mean, no, 0.3% every day, it will be better than zero, you know? So please keep up the energy and hopefully you can gain your best until the competition day. 70% if I'm productive, yes. But it's okay. Small progress are better than, zero progress at all. I mean, I'm the type of people who cannot really productive and I cannot be consistent actually if I need to be honest. Why suddenly I might curhat to all of you, but yeah, just forget about it. But yeah, it's okay. It's okay to be not productive, but at least you already know that the deadline of the submission paper will be on the 16th of May 2025. It's okay. I mean, at least you already committed. You already have the courage and you are already brave enough to deliver a speech later on. I mean, to be a participant in this speech competition, you guys already brave, productive, to be honest. Because yeah, some people who are really good at speeches, sometimes they don't really interested in doing some speech competition. So I really appreciate you guys for all of your participation and your enthusiasm. Thank you so much. So please keep the courage, keep the energy, and we hope for the best because we will be the one who checking all of your progress. And yeah, we believe that every progress are matters. So please keep your speech script to be original, and yeah, we hope for the best. Okay. If you have any questions about the rules or maybe the appearance or maybe the day of the competition, you can directly ask us in this room by doing a reaction or maybe raise your hand, or maybe if you are not able to say it directly, you can type it in the chat. And probably if you by any chance have any thought of asking another question after this technical meeting, you can directly ask to us by WhatsApp and to the chat person itself. So yeah. No, I cannot see anyone who opened their camera. Can you please open their camera if you're able? I want to see your face, actually. Because it will be weird enough if I keep talking here and then just, I'm the one who opened camera. I feel like a lecturer right now. So yeah, please open your camera to see your beautiful faces. Oh my God. Hi, hello, gorgeous. Hello, gorgeous. If you, oh my God, are you guys excited? Oh my God, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see all of you. So yeah, you can open your camera. I would like to see your face. Maybe you can use the background who already sent in the announcement group. Oh my God. We still have a lot of time, so please just make sure that you have anything clear. We still have time for question and answer, so please think about anything that might be confusing for you about the rules. And yeah. Oh, hello there. Hello there. Hello. Hello. Oh my God. Can the others also open their camera? Wait. I mean, it's if you are shy about your face. I've seen your faces and you look like a total, god. GOAT. Yes. You guys look like a winner now. Oh, who is that? Who is that? Hmm. Are you guys already have breakfast now? I forgot to ask because okay, So, I was curious, are you guys applying as a contestant or you need to be perform as a speaker in this speech competition by your, I don't know, maybe your teacher or maybe your companion or maybe your parents? Hmm. Feel free to answer. I just want to know, curiosity. Is there anyone who get recommended by their own parents or maybe like their teacher, or maybe you've already had a lot of speech competition and then you just like, yeah, maybe this one the last thing, maybe something like that? Is there anyone who would like to share about their, their preparation? Feel free, because I would love to hear that. Wait, what is that? Okay. Teacher. Oh, so you got recommended by your teacher, or you have some like small competition, so like a selection before competition, or you just apply it, just, yeah, you're good at speech and then you just like, okay, I'll take it, I'll be with the participant. I've seen that you guys are quite shy here because my camera isn't working. Yeah, I've seen that. I cannot see your face. It's only your background. It's okay. If you cannot have if your camera isn't working, it's okay. It's totally all right. Because later on, you will meet me on the day. So please remember my face because I will be accompany you a lot. Like one day, you probably will be tired to seeing my face. So please bear with us, bear with me, because yeah, until the day you will see this face, this beautiful face a lot. Okay. Right. Oh yeah, we talk about our theme. So for English Action Day 2025, the main theme, actually the whole idea of the English Action Day 2025 are based on a movie called Big Hero 6. So have you seen the movie before attending this competition? Have you seen the movie or watched the movie, or probably it's your favorite movie all time? Oh, I have an issue with the background. Probably my device can use any background. Oh, it's okay. It's all right. All right. I mean, I would like to ask, if is there anyone who already watched Big Hero 6? Have you? Have you? Please raise your hand if you already watched the Big Hero 6. This one. This one. Have you seen the movie? Oh. Oh, maybe you don't really familiar with the movie. Oh, Karen, nice. I might have. Oh, if you don't really remember about the movie, actually, I already um I already seen this movie probably four times. I think a lot. But basically, the most popular character on the movie is Baymax. That one white big guy, you have one big robot guy who are like la 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 la, something like that. I do. Maybe I will rewatch it. Yes, please. Maybe you can gain inspiration from the movie because the thing is the main theme of this competition of this English Action Day, even the sub theme is based on the movie. So from the Big Hero 6, you probably need to watch the Big Hero 6 movie before you maybe gaining any ideas because yeah. Wait, let me go to the chat section. I do, maybe I will rewatch it. I never watched Big Hero 6 before, but Baymax looks cute, for real. Yes, exactly. And he's a lot cuter in the movie, actually. Because, yeah, I'm not going to spoiler to all of you who haven't watched the Big Hero 6, but yeah, actually, Baymax is there for this one guy, Hiro Hamada. So Baymax are actually built because he's a robot. He actually built to accompany Hiro. Yeah, I would not explain more because it will consider as spoiler, and I think you guys need to watch that movie because it is worth it. I want to touch that fluffy robot if it exists. Maybe hug it. Yeah, me too. Maybe we can, you know, uh, maybe buy, a body. What is it? Yeah, a body pillow of Baymax. He looks fluffy. He looks like a Xiaolongbao. Like no, three section of Xiaolongbao. He looks soft. Yeah. Only Baymax are real. I mean, Baymax is real because yeah, there's only one Baymax in the movie. Haha. Yeah. But yeah, actually I would like to share that for the speech competition, we have like some kind of mascot. So the mascot for our speech competition is actually the main character, Hiro, the one who get accompanied by Baymax. Yes, the little Japanese named Hiro. So maybe later on you can go watch, or maybe at least you can find any clips on YouTube about Big Hero 6 or about Baymax or about Hero, or maybe you can go browsing and search for any details um about the movie because I'm sure that it will help you a lot, especially on doing your speech script while making your speech script because the thing is the movie have a lot of potential to give you motivation or maybe any ideas, any thoughts that can relate to your experience by that movie. So please go ahead, watch the movie, and thank me later if you actually have a lot of inspiration and a lot of things that happens to help you making your script. Yeah. Okay. I think you should mute that one. All right. Since there's no other questions again, later on, if you still have any questions after this technical meeting, please feel free to chat to one of us in the group. And yeah, I think this is the end. So that's all for the technical meeting for the speech competition of English Action Day 2025. Thank you so much for all of your participation and all of the enthusiasm during this technical meeting. We hope that you guys still have the same energy until the competition day. Stay healthy and see you soon, fellow heroes. I'm Katie.
And I'm Maya.
We will go stage. Bye-bye. You can go back to the main room. Bye. See you today, guys. Thank you so much. Go back to the main room, okay? Bye. Goodbye. See you, fellow heroes. Bye, 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 bye. Go back to the main room, okay? Goodbye. Thank you so much for the questions. Goodbye, goodbye.